Hello everybody, it's your boy Isaac, professional trader. Once again, welcome on this channel. So today it's last day of the week, last day of trading of the week. So as you can see, we have it's a job day, which means today is the first Friday of the month, which means there will be a huge announcement, the very important announcements, one of the important announcements of the months. So, without wasting time, as you can see, guys, let me remind you the time that is shown, you have to calculate depend on your country, depend your region, according to your time zone. It's UTC plus 3. So let me say, it's like that. The only announcement that will be published today, the very important announcement that we published today, it will be on US dollar. It will be at 4:30 p.m. Let's start quickly to see the forecast, because you see, as you can see, our video is on market forecast for trading opportunities. So let's start with the first announcement. Average hourly earnings for forecast, we have 0.5%. As you know, if the actual number is higher than the forecast, that means the dollar will go higher. If the actual number depend on the forecast, if the actual number is lower than the forecast, that means the US dollar will go down. But no farmer unemployment change, that is very important, guys. You have to watch it closely because this will really have a huge impact on the market. No farm employment change for forecast. The numbers you can see, it's 407k. If the actual number is higher than the forecast, that means the dollar will go higher. That means in US dollar they create a lot of jobs. So that means good news, and the dollar will go higher. If the actual number will be lower than the forecast, that means they didn't create a lot of jobs, and the US dollar will go down if the number is lower than the forecast. But for unemployment rate, that is a little bit different, because as you can see, for forecast, it's a 3.9%. That means if the actual number is lower than the forecast, that means it's a good news, because there wasn't unemployment. The unemployment wasn't. Let me say, that means for unemployment there wasn't a lot of people who didn't ask for the job. I mean, so this means if the number is lower than the forecast, the dollar will go higher. But if the number is higher than the forecast, the dollar will go down, which means there will be a lot of people who has been asking for the job, which means it's not very good news for US economy. And at 6 p.m. we're gonna finish with Canadian dollar EVPM. For forecast, you can see it 54.2. If the actual number will be higher than the forecast, which means the Canadian dollar will go higher. If the actual number will be down than the forecast, which means the Canadian dollar will go down. But this is not really important. What is very important is the US announcement that will be published. So guys, please keep watching it closely, because market will be very volatile today. Because if you trade on fundamental analysis, which means also you have a good opportunity to earn money. So it's all for today. It's all for this week for our daily market forecast for trading opportunities. Let's link up next week, next Monday, and I wish you also an advance good weekend. And guys, thank you for watching. Let's link up next week. Bye bye.